So it is Wednesday, and Teagan here is showing off the newest addition to our living room. This isn't the permanent location for it, but we have a big fancy new air purifier for our house.
Yes, we have this one in the living room that should do the whole house eventually, and there's a smaller one that's just in Teagan's room.
Let's go show off the one that's in your room.
Let's go show off your air purifier. You going with that?
And here's the one that's in Teagan's room. We're hoping this helps him sleep a little better. And here's a sneak peek for vlog viewers of an upcoming What's Ryan Tryin'. Wicked Cool Toys sent us the TMNT pizza oven. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Oh, leave it there. Okay, what is this animal in our backyard? It's a bird of some sort. Look at this, guys.
Is it a baby turkey?
Look, here's a close-up. Look at that.
I can't see it. I can't really see very well from here, but
Its like tail is all fanned out and it's like has like a big puff around its neck. It looks sort of like a turkey to me.
is it a pheasant?
Maybe one behind this tree.
I don't know what a pheasant looks like when it's not flying at me at the road.
Well, I guess I'm glad we got a good look at it. Ben and Teagan were on the sofa reading bedtime stories. Oh, nope, there it is again. There it is again. Wait. If it wasn't for the turkey, like almost turkey type tail, it looks like the one of the dinosaurs with Jurassic Park, with like the, you know, when it's all like
Yeah.
the neck thing.